Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Shotcut video editor on your computer. So to do that, I'm going to head over to my browser, and then on the search feed, I'm going to search for shotcut.org. So when you do that, it's going to bring you to the Shotcut download site, or you can just simply search for Shotcut on Google. So when the search is done, you're going to scroll down a bit, and then you're going to find the Shotcut home with the website link shotcut.org. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to the same site. So whichever way, you are good to go. So when the site is open, you are going to go ahead and click on this click to download button. So when you click on the button, it's going to bring you to this page. So right here, you can hit on this Windows installer button, and then you can go ahead and choose the download location and then hit on the save button. And then down here, you can see your download is going to kick off. So when the download is done, you can go ahead and click on this to open and then go through the installation process. It's very easy. So after downloading and installing the app, when you open it, you are going to see something like this. So at the top right here, you can select the projects folder. That is where your created projects will be saved. And then down here, you can give it a file name. You can choose the video mode right here. So right now, I have it set on automatic. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want right here. So after setting up your project, so let's give it a name right here. You can go ahead and click on the start button. So right here, you can go with your project, put together videos, and you are good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.